You can execute the procedure by using the exec or execute or call keyword followed by the procedure name and a semicolon. We will take a look at passing parameters to procedures in a later module. For instance, we can execute the update department procedure in the following ways. We can use the call keyword as call update dpt followed by brackets. The brackets are necessary with the call keyword. We can also use exec update department followed by a semicolon. Here, brackets are optional. Finally, we can use execute update underscore dpt to execute a procedure. You can also call it from an anonymous block. Here, you just call it by name without having to use the exec or execute or call keyword as shown in this code snippet. You can simply drop a procedure by using the keyword drop procedure followed by the procedure name. In this code snippet, we drop the update dpt procedure by issuing drop procedure update dpt command. A procedure which does not encounter any errors does its job and terminates gracefully. So here is the same procedure we looked earlier. If everything goes fine, then it will execute the procedure until the last line where it prints finished successfully and completes the execution and returns back to the calling client. However, if an error is raised explicitly or anywhere during the execution of a statement, the execution goes right from the point where the exception is raised to the exception block if defined, otherwise it goes to the calling client. The statements after the point where the exception is raised are not called. So in this code snippet, if we try and update the department ID to a non-existent department, and since there is a foreign key from this table to the departments table, an exception or a 0291 for integrity constraint violation will be raised, taking the execution from the update statement to the when others exception handler, and the last DBMS output statement will not be executed. You can also explicitly come out of a procedure without it completing normally till the end of the procedure by using the return keyword, which will make the execution jump outside the procedure to the calling client from where it is called.